Quick reactions are essential in the case of accidents and incidents in industrial plants. Plant shutdowns result in immense costs for plant operators. On average, 1 minute of unplanned downtime costs over $9,000 US. In the case of accidents involving casualties, minutes can be crucial to ensure the survival of those injured. For example, brain death can occur after only 10 minutes of oxygen deficiency. To be able to react quickly, system operators need all relevant information within the shortest amount of time. Dräger has developed the live monitoring feature for this purpose. With live monitoring, Dräger combines proven safety technology with reliable software. It also continuously provides all important stakeholders with information that is crucial for individual tasks, such as gas concentration and alarms, conditions, locations of gas detection equipment, live imaging, as well as breathing apparatus data. With this information, critical situations can be avoided in advance by allowing for quick reactions to emergencies and forecasts to be made for future plant operations. Dräger offers a variety of solutions for smart safety live monitoring: portable gas detection and gas warning technology, gas detection technology and video monitoring for confined spaces and two-way talk, software as a service, and a connectivity hub for safety technology. Without live monitoring, sufficient information isn't available in certain situations. Where are the employees located? Are they in a lying or standing position? Are there elevated gas concentrations, or is there a lack of oxygen? Short-term countermeasures are thus delayed or impossible. Through a combination of various information points, dangerous situations quickly become apparent and can be addressed promptly. Live monitoring also offers other advantages: increased safety for people working in industrial plants, easier localization and more transparency for plant operators. Alarms can be viewed and evaluated remotely. The collected data allows for learning in case of future events, and data analyses lead to more planning reliability. The entire smart safety live monitoring portfolio can be easily integrated into existing plant infrastructure. The software solutions are ready-to-use systems that require no additional IT support. In addition to Dräger software, it is also possible to connect to third-party programs. The topic of cybersecurity is of central importance during development. The basis for this is provided by one of the leading providers with the Microsoft Azure cloud. A clear separation in the system architecture prevents unauthorized access to application components. Products from Dräger thus meet the highest standards in cybersecurity. The issue of data protection in relation to personal data is also of central importance here. Access to personal data is restricted through user roles and rights. The storage of recorded data is limited to a period of time. If no alarm or event has been recorded, the data, such as location or video data, is overwritten instantly after the end of a shift. Continuous monitoring allows changes in status to be tracked across the entire facility. In the event of alarms or incidents, an optimal assessment of the situation on site is also possible from a distance. Live monitoring allows for an optimal overview from a distance and addresses the shortage of skilled workers. Let's assume an employee is in danger and their gas detector is indicating high gas concentration. All relevant information about the alarm is immediately transmitted to software such as Gas Detection Connect. Industry first responders are informed about the exact location of the employee at risk. Smart safety live monitoring helps when every second counts. Its information allows for rapid and fact-based decision-making when fast reactions are essential. Would you like to learn more? We're happy to answer your questions.